Hey everyone, Jay here with Jay's Marketing, and in this video I am going to be doing a review of a graphic design creator software tool. It's an all-in-one software tool, and it's called Visme. And this is something I use for my blog, for my social media, and I'm also using it for my YouTube videos to create any kind of graphic that you could basically imagine. I'm going to be going through all the different kinds of graphics you can create. I'm also going to be showing you the dashboard here, which I have the business account, and I'm inside. Obviously, I'm logged into my Visme account. I'm going to be showing you a few that I have made, that I've created using Visme. This tool is good for basically people who don't know what the heck they're doing when it comes to graphic design. So if you tend to hire people on Fiverr, sites like Fiverr, for various projects that you can't do yourself, like creating maybe it's a blog or website header, or maybe it's an ebook cover, maybe it's graphics for your social media, maybe it's an infographic. You can do all that on this and more. So it is literally a godsend when it comes to, for someone like probably most of you watching this video that don't have a degree in graphic design, don't want to spend a fortune hiring freelancers that actually know what they're doing to create graphic designs for you, and then have to wait a week, for them to do it. And if you are a graphic designer, you want a tool that makes your job a lot easier. I'm sure that you'd have a lot of uses as well with a tool like Visme. I did find a 25% off coupon online, so if you do like this video and Visme is something you want to try out for yourself and see if it works for you and your business, you can click the link directly below this video in the video description box. Just click it, and there'll be a code there. And I'll leave the code in the video description as well. And just put that in, you're going to get 25% off your order. And that's the best one I could find online. And it'll be in the upper right-hand side of this video itself. It'll also lead you over to Visme, so you can check out more for yourself. With that being said, let's dive in here. I'm going to show you around Visme and show you what I created and show you how to use this real quick. This is one of the graphics I just created. Now you have a present and an edit one. And I'm going to go into the edit real quick. And we're going to wait a minute for it to pop up here. Now you can see here, how cool is this? I made this in like 15 minutes. It's for a new local SEO course that I made for local businesses to help them out. And I got two cheetahs here. This is something I made in like probably 20 minutes. I didn't have a timer with me, but it was real quick. It was within 20 minutes. Look how cool it came out. Simple, stands out, it's clean looking. Yeah, it looks like a professional did it, right? I created that with Visme. But what you can do, when you go in here, you see you got graphics, you got basic, you got layouts. I'll go through all this stuff real quick. There's different layouts you can do. So any layout you want, pick that. Basic, you can put headers and text in, font pairs, stats and figures, graphics and text. And they got images here you put in. Photos are really cool. You can search millions of photos. You just put whatever you want in there and it'll pull up. Let's put fast cars. Put something easy in there. You see all the pictures come up. And all you do, say I wanted to add this. It comes in right there. And it's big, obviously. Say I wanted to add this to this one that's already done here. We just click, make it small. And I can put it up here or wherever. Line it up right in the corner there. Obviously, I'm not going to use this. It's already done. I'm just showing you as an example how easy this is to use. Get off this. Say that's done. And I want to delete it. Bam, gone. And you can go through anything, any picture you want or graphic you can put in there. And it's real easy. And you want to delete it, you just click on the picture itself. You click the delete button, it goes away. And then they got GIFs. So you want to make something funny. You got different GIFs like you see on, on text message when you're texting somebody or through social media. You see a lot of this stuff. These are all some of the GIFs. And you can do the actions, adjectives, animals, arts and designs, cartoons and comics, celebrities. You got all kinds of stuff. You got mock-ups, cutouts. You name it, they have it. I mean, there's over over 1 million in their database. Let's go back here. Check this out real quick. Yeah, search millions of photos. There's millions. Media. You can add audio. You can add videos with animated backgrounds. And look how cool it is. You can add animals. Look at that cool tiger walking. You can add that as your background for a video or whatever presentation you have. I mean, literally the sky is the limit. You can add data points if you're doing a presentation that requires data, like say an infographic or something like that. You got maps, tables, diagrams, charts, and graphics. Change your theme colors. Like I said, layouts are right here. It basically has everything that you can imagine. You just got to play around with it for a minute. And then when you present it, whoops, I don't want to click anything I shouldn't click. You can check how it looks before you download it. See how cool that is? Close out of it. And then when you're done, you got the option of different formats to upload it in. You can upload videos to YouTube. You can do PDF files. You can graphics. I'll show you that in a minute. But there's all kinds of different variations. So whatever you create, you can use it for different things. Back to dashboard. All right, now we're going to go into the Visme main screen here. We're not just a tool, we're the whole workshop. You can create visual brand experiences for your business, whether you're a seasoned designer or a total novice, like I said. And this is their sales page that shows you everything they do. But here's what you can create. This is kind of easier to show you than doing it through my builder panel. Create. Here's your content types. Presentations. You can do documents. You can do videos. Charts and graphs. Printables. Create content for printing, like business cards and stuff like that. Infographics. You can create social media graphics. Mock-ups. Branded templates. Get a bundle of templates that match your brand. Icons, interactivity, integrations, photos, data widgets, collaborations, presenter studio, flowcharts. There is all kinds of stuff you can create with this software. You can basically create anything. And it's drop dead simple to use like I just showed you. I'll go back there in a second and mess around with it a little bit more before the end of this video, briefly. But I love it so far. I mean, I've been using it a while. Stopped using it for a little bit because I got a little sidetracked and then I missed it, so I came back to it. And I'll be using it for pretty much everything. Like I said, I use it for my YouTube videos. I'm going to be using it for my social media. And I'll be using it for my blog to do the featured images on my blog and then pictures inside my blog. Stuff like that. But it has a ton of uses. I actually created an infographic on this as well. Okay, here we go here. Let me go back. Let's see here. We're going to go back to my workspace or dashboard here. This is something I didn't finish a long time ago. I don't know. I think I have to... Let me see here. Let me find something to work on real quick here. Here we go. This is blank, so I can show you how easy this is to use. Header and text, graphic and text. You can see the background images. Theme colors. You can play around with that a little bit. There's all the different theme colors here. photos. We'll just put that one in. And if you want that to the whole thing or your theme, you can mess with that, make it smaller. You gotta get it to go sideways. There you go. And say I want this one in there. Add as new image. It gives you replace the image already selected or add a new one. You put add a new one. Alright, let's get this in there a little bit better. Obviously, this is not something I'd use. I'm just putting stuff together here just to show you how easy it is to put pictures in and create whatever you want. GIF. I want to add a GIF to it. We'll add a GIF. See how cool that is? A sloth or something. A cartoon. Put that in there. Click off of the picture, then it stays and it's done. Graphics. You can do characters, which is cool. And remember, when you do create one, you're gonna have a theme background. This one didn't because I was messing with it a long time ago. I didn't have a background on it, but you're gonna have a background to work with to start off with. This is just a blank slate. I'm just showing you how to put stuff in there, how easy it is. So say you find a mascot that you want to use. You want a female, kind of a business type lady. Put that in there. And you just play around with the size. Make sure it fits in there, looks nice. And that's that. See, I'm just showing you how easy everything is. So you just got to play around with what you want, what you're looking for. And it's super easy to use. Theme, color, graphics. We'll go to basics. Header and text, graphics and text. Let me see here. Don't want that. We'll put a chart in here. There's a chart right there. You could put a title there if you want. Anything you want. And you just make it smaller to fit in there, or bigger, whatever you want, depending on what you're using it for. And that's it. You want to delete it, you just press delete. And call to action. You got all these. To get 20% off your next purchase, get started. And they give you a bunch of options as far as that goes. Download our latest ebook. So it's all going to depend on what you're exactly using this for. Which features you're going to use. And remember, if you mess up, see how big this one? This girl's a giant. I got to shrink her. Little side to side. That's how you shrink whatever picture you're putting in there. And she's going to sit next to her. Now she looks like her little sister. Yeah, but that's that. I don't want this video to get too long. I'll show you a few more that I made, that I've created using this software. This is one I just did. That was like 20 minutes, if that. Look how cool that is. Now this already had the theme with the guy in the background, the headphones that was already in the background of it, and I had to say to add my name into it, whatever the name of my course, and the play button obviously, so it looks like a video. What I was doing with this is it's for a squeeze page or landing page. I'm giving away a free course called Speedy Local SEO Training, and there's an actual sign up form for this video. So that's what I was using this for, but literally this took me 20 minutes. Plain, simple, easy, professional. Made using Visme. This one's banner I'm actually going to use for this YouTube video that you're watching right now. This review. Just turn this off. Hit present. And you can see this is clean, simple. I got this little little guy over here in the corner. Visme review, create banners, graphics, infographics, documents, and social graphics in minutes. Didn't take me very long. And I'm done, you know. Create it in... All these basically took me under a half hour to create. And they're all professional. And they all get the job done. This is one I did for Aligned Chakra Secrets for a blog post I did. How cool that is. Aligned Chakra Secrets review, the 7 chakras alignment secrets that changed my life. Simple, easy. This was a pretty good one I put together. About a weight loss supplement called NutraVesta. And you can see the background with the fruits and vegetables. The pills here I put NutraVesta proven reviews. Do the NutraVesta proven weight loss pills work? And this was for on my blog for a blog, a blog post, a featured image. Created that one. And that's about it. You get the hint though. But I like this software a lot. Like I said, I'm going to be using it more and more as time goes on. It's well worth the money. It's fun to use, especially if you don't know, you're playing around with it. If you're creative in any aspect, you'll have a lot of fun using the Visme software for your business and see what you can create and what kind of ideas you can come up with to promote your business. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And if you have any comments, leave them below this video. And if you like what you see, don't forget to take advantage of that 25% off Visme discount below this video or in the upper right-hand corner of the video itself. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.